Hello and welcome. My name is Nicholas, and in today's video tutorial, we're going to show you how to get stock prices in Excel. Nowadays, investing in stocks is very popular. Thanks to this solution, you will have access to up-to-date information from stock markets all over the world. Plus, it's free and it's very easy. So let's not waste any more time and let's do it. First, we need to enter the stock symbols, tickers, or company names we want to get certain information about. Let's fill in the tickers of the companies Netflix, Tesla, and Apple. If we only fill in the company names, we may end up with a typo in the table, which may affect our final result. If we have filled in the tickers, we mark the area where we have entered this data. We will go to the Data tab, which we will find on the top bar. We will select the Stocks option. The tickers will be converted to a special data type in which we can already see the company names, the stock exchange from which we will be getting the information, and the ticker that is used on that stock exchange. If we click on the stocks icon, which is located on the left side and is marked with the bank symbol, we will see all the available data that we can use. We can find a lot of useful information here. Now we want to get the volume information in column C. Let's mark all the cells in which we have written the names of the companies. Click on the icon on the right-hand side, which is marked as a workbook. A list of options will appear from which we can choose the type of data we need. Since we want to find out the volume, we click on the volume item. Great! We now have the current volume count available to us. If we would like one more type of data, all we have to do is open the list again and select the one we need. Now we will add, for example, the price. Great, we've added the price. Now we just edit the table so that it looks the same and clear. If we wanted to get data from another exchange, we simply right-click on the cell where we have entered the company name. We select the data type option. We select the change option. On the right side, we will see a panel. Now we need to delete the stock identifier and click on the Browse button. Excel has shown us a list of other stock exchanges. Now we can select any of the exchanges. We simply just click on the one we want. We select the Select option. As we can see, the data for Tesla has changed. If we want to keep the information up to date, we go to the Data tab. We click on the option to refresh all. Great! Now we have the latest information. That's all from us. What do you say? It was easy though? If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. Want to learn how to work better with Excel? If yes, then in that case don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.